Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Doordash unable to verify identity. So if you have issue verifying your identity, then you can try some of these options here. So what do you need to do? So the first thing first is just make sure that you have provided the correct information. So make sure that your name, email address and phone numbers are valid and it's correct. There is no issue with that, because that's an important factor in verifying your identity. So just make sure that. Apart from that, when you provide your supporting documents, make sure they are clear and legible and there is no issues with that. So make sure there's no issues with that. So if your documents are correct and all your data and informations are correct, then what you can do, there might be some issues with the app. So what you can do, you can try to update the Doordash app. So go to your Play Store and then see if there is an update for your Doordash app, and then if there is an update, then if there is an update, for example here there is an update to the app. So if there is an update, then hit on it and update your app. So make sure that your app is up to date. You can also try to clear your app cache. So click on your app information. So go to settings, go to your app settings, your Doordash settings, and then under storage here, try to clear your cache. So there is clear cache. Try to clear up the cache and see, and then try the process again. And then you can also, if you still have issues, then you can also try to reinstall your Doordash app and see if that fixes up the issue. And if you're still having an issue, then what you can do, you can straight away try to contact the Doordash customer support and try and see and ask them to resolve the issue if none of these works for you, because that's as the last point of contact. So that's pretty much it. So I hope this video and information was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.